Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how we can install and configure Polybar, a panel for our Linux operating system, and a dock called Plank. Both are very beautiful, and today we are just going to see how we are going to configure it. So whenever we start our desktop, we would see this panel on top. It's the XFCE panel. So I just want to remove this panel first. So what I can do is I can go to panel preference and remove the panel here, but there is only one panel, so we cannot directly remove it. So we have to go to our startup sessions, like in applications, settings, and startup sessions. Here in current sessions you will see XFCE panel. You have to click it and set it as never, so that whenever you are going to log back into your desktop, you will not see that panel again. So I have did that already, and I have manually launched this panel by going to terminal. So as soon as I close this terminal, the panel will go away. So first we will install Plank. So we will just open up a terminal and sudo apt install Plank. I have already installed, so it is saying that Plank is already the newest version. So for launching it, we just simply use the command Plank. So for making it again, making it for the startup, you can go to startup and sessions again, and you can add as Plank and command as Plank. I have did it already, as you can see here, Plank. Okay. So whenever log into this system, the Plank will be auto start, and you will see the dock on the bottom of your screen. So the next thing, I have to configure this dock. You can press Control button and right click. You will see preferences. Here you have all the settings for this particular Plank, like icon size and zoom size and all. So you can just go to the settings and set it according to yourself. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is installing Polybar panel. You can download Polybar from this particular web page, GitHub, and this is the Polybar. Some of the dependencies are mismatched on Ubuntu operator 20.04, like AutoGen, I guess. You will just see sudo apt install Polybar. I tried to install this word, but there are a lot of broken packages and all, and depends on Python next. I can't find on the repo. Sudo apt python.exe. So as you can see, I don't have installed python.exe. I don't have any package with exe. So you have to manually build it. So for building it, you can go to this release page, and you can download Polybar from here, which I have already downloaded. And here are the commands which you have to follow, or you can just directly run a shell script which is available. Like for example, I have downloaded and I have already installed it. So here Polybar, this is the file. You just have to run this build.sh file, and it will install Polybar on your system. So the important thing is, how do we configure and start Polybar? So we have to download few of the themes for Polybar themes. This is a good collection for all the themes available for Polybar. Very good themes. You can just install any one of them. In this video we are going to install Polybar 6, which I use. This one, Polybar 6. So for doing that you have to download this file. You can just go to this URL or this URL and you can just download the zip file, which I have already downloaded. See download and let's Polybar. I think I have downloaded on the home directly. Let's, yeah, Polybar. So here you will have a folder for all the themes. So we are going to install Polybar 6. So we are interested in Polybar 6. So cd Polybar 6. Okay, we are not in the directory. Polybar themes, Polybar 6. So here we have a couple of files. We have to copy these files to our .config Polybar directory. So what we can do is we will just cp-r star to our home directory .config Polybar. Okay, we will just see, we will just confirm the .config Polybar. Yeah, so all the files have copied. So there you can find a fonts directory. So we have to install the fonts first. So what we can do is see fonts sudo cp star. We have to install it in our user share fonts directory. I forget to mention the because okay, it has copied all the fonts to our fonts directory. We will just update our fonts, and last thing we have to do is we have to launch our Polybar. So you can just run this shell script launch.sh. Okay, now we have this Polybar available for us. Okay, we have Polybar available on the top of the panel. To make it start on the login, we just again go to our startup and sessions, and in application start we will create a Polybar item, name, description, and in the command you have to give the absolute path to our launch.sh file and trigger on login. That's all. Whenever you are going to login, Polybar get started and you will see this theme. For changing themes, you have a lot of themes available, like for gray hat it will change. So this is how you are going to configure Polybar panel and a dock plank. to your Ubuntu operating system. Hope this helps you in configuring these two things. Please subscribe and like channel for more short videos. Thank you.